Hello everyone, this is Autosum from Autosum Research Company, and in this video I'm going to talk about Excel formulas and functions. So as you probably know, Excel is a really robust tool that can do a lot of calculations, a lot of mathematics, and a lot of statistic works for you. And with these formulas and functions, you can go a long way. So here, as you can see, I have a column of data. I have my flow rates, and I want to do some mathematics with that. So for starting, if you want to do um, if you want to have a formula or function, first you should put an equal mark. When you put an equal mark, it means that you're starting to define a function or selecting a formula. So I now entered an equal mark. Now I select one of the cells. I type a summation mark, and then I select another cell. If I click enter, you can see the sum of these two cells right now. So that's one of the formulas. I use the formula summation here. For functions, here I can write sum. If I type sum, you can see there are some functions here. It has a description that says adds all the numbers in a range of cells. I select that, and then it says define your range. I select my numbers and I close the parentheses and click OK. You can see that it's the sum of these cells that I selected. But another way to use these formulas is to go to Formulas tab here, Formulas tab, and then you can see this function library section here. So for inserting a function, you can search for this function here. For example, average. Okay, I click go, and I could find the average function. Number one, for example, is this one, and number two is this one. I click OK, and you can see that I have the average of these two. So another section that you can see here, another option is the Autosum. So for Autosum, if I click on that, you can see it recognizes one cell and shows me the summation. So I can just remove this box here to this cell, and also when this option shows up, I can change the range. So I want to select 10 cells here, click OK, and click enter, and you can see that using Autosum I made summation of these cells. So here, if I click on this gray shade here, I can see auto average or count numbers, maximum and minimum. So I want to use, for example, the maximum option. Another time I want to change the range. So maximum of this range is 6, and you can see it shows it correct. That's a very simple introduction to formulas and functions in Excel, but you can dig deeper and you can watch more videos in here or somewhere else or anywhere. To find these other abilities that Excel have, to find out how to work with these functions and how to make your calculations easier. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.